welcome you all on the 20th edition of GeoSmart India. It's been a long journey for us and for the geospatial community of India. At a time when India aspires to become a $9 trillion economy by 2030, it is important for us to understand how geospatial is going to play an important role to fulfill the dreams of 1.37 billion Indians in the coming years. Geospatial, as we all see, is about information for people, the planet, and for the prosperity. Fortunately, what has happened that Niti Aayog, the main agency of India which plans for the future of India, in its vision document strategy for New India at 75, acknowledges the relevance of importance of spatial data and framework. That is a great acknowledgement of need, relevance, and value for geospatial information and offer us tremendous opportunities to respond by incorporating the government's expectations in our work. So whether we talk about any of the development programs which are going in India right now, there is a need which has been laid down by the policymakers of using geospatial technologies. What is required is to make them understand from our industry side is the various aspects of geospatial technologies and how they complement each other. Rather than competing, we complement each other. That is the way we need to explain to our users. Another important thing which we feel is the evolution of the value and relevance of National Geospatial Organization in our country. We have integrated approach towards building National Geospatial agenda or the infrastructure, knowledge. Then we talk about policy development and regulatory framework. We have to develop a lot of incubation and facilitation center for the geospatial industry. Qualitative engagement with communities across sectors. Development management. We have a lot of universities which are offering the courses, but we need to inculcate the management and the requirement of the industry in those courses. That's what we are not doing right now. And foundation of geospatial enabled sustainable development. So as UN has laid down the responsibility to all the statistics organization in the country, and India is following with the Ministry of Statistics, and each state planning department has the responsibility to monitor the development agendas. So for this, a complete ecosystem needs to be developed. And once we have the relevance of geospatial organizations, we have to integrate with our national geospatial strategy. Very important to communicate the same with the mainstream media, engagement with mainstream business enterprises, then converging the geospatial policy with the mainstream IT policies, then integration of national vision into the functioning of the geospatial agencies. With this, I once again welcome you all to the 3 days conference where we have tried to focus on the 5 main streams which India is dreaming to achieve in next few years, and we are hopeful that we'll become the backbone of all the national development projects. As a geospatial community, let's work together and try to achieve this aim. Thank you.